Now, Caroline Nyamu, a leader who is well known for being one of the most dramatic and controversial senator, has hit the headlines, and this time not because of love dramas as it has always been, but in a very different and most unexpected manner, which has left everyone talking about, praising and glorifying her name after her today's amazing and unbelievable actions, which is currently trending all over the social media and has ignited a very huge debate. Many saying that she is such a good-hearted woman and every man would wish to have a wife like Caroline Nyamu, adding that Kenyans also need such kind of a leader who is not selfish and always minds about other people's affairs, especially after she did as follows and also proved herself beyond any reasonable doubt. However, despite that, many Kenyans criticize and attack Caroline Nyamu because of her behaviors on social media, and especially when it comes to love matters, but they praise and recognize her as one of the most generous leader who minds about other people's affairs, to a point where Caroline Nyamu was awarded as the best performing senator of the year, and that was last year on May because of her charity work with unwavering commitment and dedication to uplift the less fortunate in the society through her foundation. And you remember Caroline Nyamu displayed her generosity during the flood, where she supported a lot those people who were affected by the floods and also paid school fees for 17 students, and so many other things that has earned her more respect and recognition from Kenyans. And the humble mother of three has again emerged as a shining beacon of inspiration in the realm of the public service, particularly on human rights and political stance. And this has come due to all the good activities that the Honorable Karen has been engaging herself with recently, especially since the moment she stopped publishing her relationship on social media and declared that henceforth they should never cause in love dramas on social media. And that's when her behaviors changed automatically, and she became even more active in the Senate, where she has been proposing bills and also helping the needy. And now that the politics has already begun, and Caroline Nyamu has announced in the public that in the next coming general election in the year 2027, she will be vying for the women rep seat in Nairobi, and everyone is now trying to sell their agendas. Caroline Nyamu decided to do what she does best, and that is distributing or giving food to the needy people. But this time round, Caroline Nyamu did not only give the food to the needy people, but to everyone who attended in her recent political engagement meeting. And Kenyans were left very happy to see that Caroline Nyamu did not only come to sell her agendas, but she came with goodies, and not just food for one day, but food that one can consume for some times. And Kenyans praised her name so much, saying indeed she is a very generous person. And another thing that left Kenyans more happy is to see that despite Caroline is on the government side and should be riding on government meetings, she was able to organize her own meeting and mobilized thousands of people, especially from Westland constituency, a meeting that was met with a lot of challenges and disruption from the goons that were sent by her opponent to disrupt her meeting, and which forced Caroline Nyamu to alter some words in the public that left Kenyans even more angry, despite praising her for her generosity and charity work. But Kenyans condemned and attacked her because of the speech that she made, many saying that no matter how angry she was, she could at least filter some words in the public as a leader.
Yule amewatuma waambie mmepata mwanamke wazimu, atishwi na vitisho za matakataka. Kwendeni waambie wapange mkutano yao, wawache kutishwa na kazi yangu, watafute pesa, watafutie wamama chakula, walete ground. My friend, munatutumia watu hapa, watoto munatutumia. Tafuteni wanaume, mimi napambana na wanaume, sio watoto chokora kama hao. Watu hawalali hii Nairobi. kwa sababu ya Karen Nyamu.
And after that terrible video went viral and is still trending even now, Kenyans were left saying that, let me just quote some, stage managed, anatafuta sympathy votes. Kama ulishindwa na Samido, how can you manage Nairobi? Bure kabisa, hao chokora ndio watakupeleka nyumbani. Huyu hafai kuwa kiongozi, hatutaki uenda wazimu Nairobi. Hao chokora ni watoto wamezaliwa na mama kama wewe. Wewe ni one term, hata ulie kwa podium. Wewe Senator Karen, rudi Instagram utingishe tu mata, huwezani na Nairobi. And the last one said that, kwani kila mkutano yako lazima iwe na goons wa kudisrupt? And this discussion is still ongoing. What is your take on this? Leave a comment or forget subscribe for more videos. I've been host Ken Gonsan, aka Mtoto Mungiki Starboy, aka Nita na Meditaiti Kamera. Let's meet in the next video, dropping right after this one. Thank you for watching.